Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Crazy Country Couponer. I'm Jenny, and I need to spend $25, and I'm going to take you with me, guys. Yeah, and you know you want to know what I'm going to get. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, come on, I want to take you with me too, and I want to tell you all about it. All right, yes. And so you don't ever miss anything like what we're about to do right now, like a field trip, because that's what we're about to do. And hopefully some awesome information. Make sure you hit the subscription button below and that notification bell. Make sure it says all, and that way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Yes. Alright guys, super stoked. I need to spend $25 because I want to get my 2001, and I'm hoping to get in on it before they fix the glitch and it can regenerate itself. So I'm going to pop in here and I'm going to spend $25 plus, okay? I'm going to make sure I have plenty, and I'm going to do it on things that I actually need, which is food items. And I'm going to try to use every avenue to save some extra money on those food items on top of that 2001. We have several food deals that we can choose from. But I'm definitely going to do that because it is, you know, winter's coming, guys, and we need to restock our pantries. And if you have not gone through your pantry, go through your pantry, get rid of everything that's expired, and see what you need. It is stock up time. Alright guys, if you haven't done it yet, please leave me an emoji, a comment, a like, and subscribe if you're not one of my crazy friends yet. Guaranteed you'll like us. Yep, you'll like hanging out here. Alright, we're going to go in the store and do a little shopping. So, come on, let's go see what we can find. Okay guys, I've got a deal for you. Yes, we do. We've got a 3 for $4 sale on the Dr. Pepper Canada Dry Sunkist RC Cola 7-Up and A&W 2 liters. 3 for $4. And what do we have a $4 off of 15 for? Those same items. Spend $15 on those items and you're going to get $4 off. Now, the great thing about sometimes these particular types of sales, when they go in the register, they do not show up until the end of the transaction what has happened, because they discount them like a store discount instead of actually doing a price cut. So when that happens, the register does not realize and gives you your coupon. So you do not need to buy a full $15 worth of this product at the $4 price, because it's going to bring up full price, which is $2.50. So actually all you need is, let's see, $2.55, $2.46. You need 6 of these, okay? And when everything is said and done, you'll be paying $4 for 6. So pick up 6 of these products and you will be paying $4. That's right. Yes, technically, it's a glitch. Okay guys, let's talk candy, because we've got lots and lots of candy deals. First, let's start with these Almond Joy. These are $10.75, and it is buy one, get one free. So you'd be getting 2 bags of these Almond Joy, huge bags, for $10.75. And great thing to use this on is in a scenario, okay? Now, and what could you use it in a scenario with? Well, we got a couple of things. We got a $2 off of 6 Hershey's candy. And let me tell you, you can use this coupon so many ways. Now, this is $5.50 by itself. You can pick up one of these and one of the Hershey pumpkins for $1, and you're at $6.50, and you're going to be saving $3. So this will cost you $3.50 for one bag. That is normally $5.50. Okay? Depends on what your needs are. 35 pieces. Next, we have this sale. This is 60 total pieces, okay? This is buy two, get one free. And we have a $3 off coupon. Two of them is $11. Okay? $3 coming off is going to leave $7 for all three of these, okay? 60 pieces. Got one more way, guys. Hold on. Okay, now these are on sale, 2 for $10, which means they're $5 a piece. $3 coupon coming off means they're 2 for $7. I believe their snack size, I think there's 20 in here. So this is 40. Be 40 for $7. They're bigger than the other. Okay. You get 40 for $7. Again, depending on what your needs are. You're buying for a classroom, this would work. Okay. Now, finally, I put that in the wrong place. We gotta make sure, if you're doing this, make sure you put the stuff back where you got it from, okay? Okay, finally, where they at? Here they are. Two of these ghost notes is $6. You'll be paying 2 for 3, okay? $3 for this. And then two of these just pumpkins on sale, 2 for $6. It would be 2 for $3, okay? Using that $3 coupon. Now that $3 coupon, that $3 coupon does not work on these. Matter of fact, no coupon I have works on these that I've seen. So that's your coupon for your Reese's. Now, you don't care for Reese's or Kit Kats. Well, we got more. Hold up. Next we have this bag. These are $6.25 a piece, but they're on sale. Buy two, get one free, and you have a digital coupon for $2. So two of these is going to be $12.50. So it would be $10.50 out of pocket for over over 100 pieces of candy. So, and it's the Musketeers, Snickers, Twix, and Starburst. Yeah, a good variety right here. So there's your candies right there. Really good deals as far as I'm concerned. Now, if you're looking to do something different, like the potato chips, little bags, do not buy these multi-packs. Go over to where the potato chip singles are and get the 2 for $1. You get more bang for your buck, okay? Even with the coupon off. So, you'll get 20 for $10, okay? More bang for your buck. Now, something else I want you to keep in mind. Look at this. You see this? Yellow tickets, clearance. So, next weekend, this is going to be half off. Next weekend, this is going to be half off. It is half off right now because this is that Mounds. So you don't have to wait to get that one. So there is your candy and your soda deal, guys. I mean, you can do that any day of the week. You don't have to wait until Saturday. Sodas might not be there if you wait until Saturday. Okay, let's talk about this instant savings on the Jello products, the cheesecakes, the Jet Puffs marshmallows, and the Jello pudding. Now, this Oreo cheesecake is $3. Well, it says $3.30, but scanned it is $3.49. $3.49 for the strawberry and $3 for the classic no bake. And we get an instant savings when we spend $6. Now, it's as simple as 2 of these, and you'll be getting 2 for $4, pretty much, if you just got the plain one. If you're getting an Oreo cookie one, I mean, you'd be a little over, or you could mix and match it with some other items, like I think I'm going to do. I'm going to get just one of these Oreo cookie ones, and then I'm going to add a few more of the Jello items with it. Now, if you do a lot of baking or you have banana pudding in mind, instant savings when you spend 6. These are $1.25 a piece. Okay? So, we could even just go, yes, I think I might do that. I think I'm going to get one of those, and I'm going to get a couple of puddings, because I just like pudding sometimes. It's eating marshmallows. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the marshmallows. These are nice and soft. And then I'm going to pick up the no-bake. If you do peanut butter, guys, we got a price cut on the peanut butter. $3.95 for these big jars of Skippy peanut butter. From $4.75. Okay, for my $2 off my General Mills, I'm picking up 2 of the cookie doughs. Right here I'm looking at $7.90. Okay, I really only needed these 2 items to make that deal, and you'll be getting $2 off. Okay, $1 off when you purchase 3 items. So we're going to purchase the tortillas, which I do want, okay, and we are going to purchase these 2 items, because these are 2 of the cheapest items. They're $1.25. Okay, so I'll be getting $1 off, and hopefully my earns will kick in, and I'll get $1 in earns. So, double dipping duty right there. So, let's see what I have in here so far after coupons. I think I decided I'm going to fill up this $25 purchase with things for my emergency pantry, because a lot of things had expired. And really, please, 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 if you are new here for me, let me tell you, I really suggest everyone have 6 months worth of emergency food stock, along with a stock of seeds, because even before COVID, but after COVID, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what they're going to try to force us to do. So, to stay self-reliant and to give you time to get back up on your feet, always have 6 months worth of food. And it doesn't have to be good food. It just has to be food that will keep you alive. Okay? It could be a bunch of this stuff right here. Dehydrated stuff. Canned stuff. But it needs to be enough to keep you for a little while. Okay, what do we got going on? We got a coupon for $1 off of 4 of the North Sides. So we're going to go for this cheddar and broccoli and the cheese. That's like macaroni and cheese. We're going to go for some Mexican rice. We got garlic shells. Herb and butter rice. That sounds good. So we have 3. And stuff like this right here, the Mexican rice, add some hamburger, you got a meal. The Alfredo broccoli, add a can of chicken, you got a meal. Cheddar broccoli, okay. So, I got cheddar broccoli with the macaroni. I got cheddar broccoli with the pasta and rice, and a herb butter. So I got 4, and we'll be saving $1. So lastly, guys, I'm using my glitching Banquet Marie Calendar coupon, okay? $2 off when you spend 10. the Marie Callender mac and cheese bowls, which are very good, by the way. And they're a meal by themselves. They got 20 grams of protein in them. So, but I had this last night with a Louisiana piece of sausage. Really good. So these are on sale 2 for $7. And then I added a $3.75 Marie Callender's pot pie, which I like. Now you could add several different items if you like the other kind of pot pies and stuff. But this is so $2 more off, and I think I might be at $25. So, oh, and we're going to give these new Idaho and Hidden Valley Ranch potatoes a try. Oh yes, we are out in the car, guys, and as soon as I walked out to the car, I checked my phone, and look there, I have got my $20 off. Yes, this is what the coupon looks like when you get it. So, next stop is another Dollar General to spend this money. Yeah, and hopefully I'll get another. But we'll see. But so blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really hope you enjoy our field trips to the store, because we always seem to be finding something every time we go. Look forward to seeing you again real soon.